I frequently get asked is how do you create synthetic data for research or for testing purposes or for privacy preservation. One thing I would like to show you is how to create synthetic data using sklearn datasets and using the makeblobs function. So synthetic data refers to artificially generated data that mimics the statistical properties of real-world data. It can be used in testing algorithms, privacy preservation, training models, data augmentation, or even benchmarking. It's a very useful tool. You can easily create data using makeblobs function. So here I have used the makeblobs function from sklearn.datasets, and I have also used, I have specified 1000 samples and centers as 3. And in the context of makeblobs function from scikit-learn specifically, the centers parameter specifies the number of clusters to generate. So each cluster is characterized by a centroid, and the data points are generated around these centroids. Okay, so now let me run this code. I have given x and y as the parameters, the labels, and I am printing the first few rows, and let me run this code and see. Awesome. So can you see you have the data created for you, and you can use this for your artificial intelligence queries or your data analysis. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Thank you.